Hello children, now let us start with our new topic, rounding of the numbers. So before we start rounding of the numbers, I would like to give you an example to tell you why we use this rounding of the numbers. Okay. Now, if I ask you what is the cost of the pencil, what you will say? You will say it is around 5 rupees or 10 rupees in such a way. But you will not say exactly that it costs 3 rupees 25 paisa or 3 rupees 50 paisa. Right? We are using the nearest number of 3 rupees 25 paisa or 3 rupees 50 paisa. What is nearest number for 3? It is 5. Suppose you have purchased 3 pencils or 2 pencils. If I purchase 2 pencils, it will be nearly equal to 8 or 9 rupees. Okay. So you will not say exactly it is 8 rupees. What you say, it is nearly 10 rupees. So rounding of the numbers is used to round off the given number to the nearest value. Maybe it is nearest to tens, maybe nearest to hundreds, or maybe nearest to thousands. So now first, rounding off to the nearest tens. To round off the number to the nearest tens, we have to look at the digit at the ones place. Okay. If we are rounding off the number to the nearest 10, we have to see the place, we have to see the number or the digit at ones place. So, there arises two conditions. If the number is less than 5, then what we have to do? We have to replace that number in the ones place with 0. And we are not going to change the digit at the tens place. Suppose if the value in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then what we will be doing? We will be replacing the ones place with 0 and we will add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Okay children? To understand better, we will do exercise 1.5 first bit. Now let us start with our exercise 1.5, rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. What is the first one? 5486. What is there in the ones place, children? 6 is there in the ones place. So 6 is greater than 5. Yes, if it is greater than 5, what we should do? We should replace 6 with 0 and we should add 1 to the value in the tens place. What is there in the tens place? 8. If I add 1 for 8, it will become 9. So what will be the number now? 5486 is rounded off to 5490. Since the digit at ones place is 6 and it is greater than 5. Okay. Now let us see the B1. What is the B1? 17,092. 17,092 is rounded off to 17,090. Why it is rounded off to 17,090? Because in ones place there is 2. 2 is less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to just replace ones place with 0. Now C1, 63,547. 63,547 is rounded off to 63,550. Because in ones place we have 7. So we will replace ones place with 0 and we'll add 1 for 4. So it will become 5. Okay. Now 70,965. In ones place it is 5, which is equals to 5. So we have to replace with zeros and we should add 1 to the tens place. So what it will be? 70,965 will be rounded off to 70,970.